this demo, we will showcase the features of the JedAI HPC portal. Once logged in, you're presented with links to the relevant documentation. These links, as well as the contact support button, are all fully customizable and can be swapped out to feature any content that you would like. To begin, users will typically want to copy or move data and files up into the environment, so we will create a new temporary directory. We'll call it Scratch. Into this directory, we will drag and drop some local files, in this case a simple job submission script and some data. Once uploaded, we can quickly switch to the command line interface, where we are logged in via SSH directly. We can see our recently added files. Taking a look at the job submission script itself, we can see that this runs a job, outputs some data, goes to sleep, outputs the timestamp when the job completes. Now that our dataset is in place, we can view the active jobs to see that there are currently no jobs running. We can see the same under all jobs. In the job composer, we can create a new job from the default template. Within this job, we can submit the main job.sh file, and in the submit script section, we can update the parameters, which we can change in the editor. We'll add a sleep command and print some data to the screen. And we can submit the job. Now, once we view active jobs, we'll see that our job is running. Similarly, in the CLI, we can see the same. By clicking on this little arrow, we can see more parameters, and we can open the job itself in a terminal where it will take us directly to the job's output directory. Once the job is completed, we can see the results of the submission file as well as the output. In the HPC portal, you can create far more complex templates for commonly used applications. Should you require terminal-based access to the environment, this can be accommodated through the web portal itself. Here, we can access the system and see what applications are available. To view interactive applications such as Jupyter Notebooks or Remote Desktop, we can also access these via the user interface. We can submit jobs for this application in much the same way via the scheduler. Here we can see our Jupyter Notebook session is running on the GPU node, and when we connect into it, we can spin up a terminal and utilize the data file that we imported earlier. Using standard Git commands, we can also clone data directly into the environment. We will now close down our earlier job and take a look at the remote desktop features. Here we can set the number of hours that this application should run for. Once it hits this time limit, the job will be killed within the scheduler, ensuring that sessions don't run over indefinitely. Once we launch our remote desktop, we are brought to a common desktop environment and we can see which node we have been allocated. In this case, the compute node. Checking our SLURM variables, we can see that we are running on the default queue single node. We can launch our relevant applications, in this case RStudio, a commonly used application within life science research. Checking on our job queue once again, we can see that our various jobs have all completed and we can log out. Thank you for joining us on this JedAI HPC portal demo. Should you require more information or would like to discuss your requirements, please contact us via our website at www.define-technology.com.